What did you say?
He strengthened the army.
What did you say? Look at the camera. Lady. Tell me what you said. No.
He strengthened the
no,
army.
No, about the fridge. What did you say?
Discipline in the army.
Hey.
He started paying salaries to the soldiers.
She said, I can't clean the fridge. She's laughing. I'm going to clean our house fridge. And I'll show her that I can clean her. Let's go.
Being a teacher myself, I know how hard it is to keep up with work like this. You come back home and before you know it's dinner time already. That's why when I visited my parents this weekend, I decided let's clean things they would not put their time and energy on, because I would not do it in my rented house either. Most of the things here will be the same, just the fridge will get a deep clean. But yeah, my dad, he's an absolute sweetheart. He ऊपर से cleans everything, but then I decided it's time the fridge gets a very good deep clean. You can see all the dust, all the gunk coming out of the fridge. That's not because my mom and dad are careless, but they don't look into it that much because who has the time now? I do, so I'm gonna clean it spick and span so that they get a clean fridge. So yeah, enjoy. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಮೇಯಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಇದು.